Okay, so we're going to talk about how reference packaging material uses will be in EWM, meaning, so let me show you one screen. Okay, example is in my warehouse, I'll be receiving daily thousands of material. In that, maximum 10% of materials are in new material, which I don't have any kind of weight, volume, length, width, height, nothing will be there. It's just a normal, just a material. Meaning my materials department is going to create a material, that means material code, and that material code will be forwarded to purchasing department. Purchasing department, they will enter the price. Just they have the price, and then they will enter the price and they will create a PO. But the thing is, first time which we are receiving this material, so we don't have height, width, length, where exactly we have to keep, no information. This product is a cold material, or I mean cold storage area need to be kept, or bulk storage area, or wherever. It's a small part, is a big part, we don't know any information. So
Okay.
along with the material, we may get MSDS, okay, material safety data sheet, and other information. So based on that, we will decide where we have to put away, where we have to put that material. Because it is a small, it will go to the small material area. If it is a big material area, based on the weight, length, width, and everything. So here we need to remember one thing. So initially, when when a purchase order is given to the vendor, vendor is going to send his own packaging. Meaning, he will send 100 quantity in one box. Okay. If I order 200 or 300, he may send 3 boxes, but the thing, 3 boxes in one pallet. But we don't know whether he is going to send 3 boxes or 4 boxes for 300. But he just send it like that. So in that case, what we do is we will create a dummy HU for all 300, one HU, dummy HU. Okay, meaning it will, the packaging specification which I'm going to create a reference packaging material, reference material will have target quantities 999, not like uh, maybe 10 and 100 into one box, so that 3 boxes will be coming, something like that. It's not like that. It's kind of a 999. I'm going to give a target quantity. It is going to create a big, only one pallet. That is a dummy pallet. But once I receive the material, because vehicle, through vehicle the material will come, that material is going to be unloaded, and later I'll send this material to the different department, saying that they are going to do kind of a verification of the material, like dimensions, width, length, each and everything. Then they are going to create a package, packaging specification. Sorry. So before that, how automatically HU is created based on the reference material. Okay, HU will be created automatically. That is based on the reference material. Okay, but I'll give you the example also. I will show you how it is going to be created. But once it is received, we know the physical material appearance and each and everything. Then we will create a real packaging material. With that real packaging material, next time onwards, we know always 100 pieces into one box, right? So one HU will be created for each 100. But right now, even though I received 300 in the first receipt, that is going to create one handling unit directly for all 300. So how we are going to achieve that is that our scenario. Okay, that is what we are going to talk about now. So yeah, so then I'm going to show the screen again. So now I'll be logging into the system. I don't know whether I have the password. It is connecting.
Okay.
Okay. So somebody is already logged into. So what I'm telling you, already done some configuration and each and everything, but I will show you slash and mm01,
Okay.
mm03.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is
So,
the packaging material,
oh
right? Which
my
is
God,
going to
1 minute. Is already. Yes. So let me show you slash and mm01, sorry, mm03, where you can see I have already, I'm just showing you already created data. So 54 is a dummy material. Okay.
Okay. Dummy packaging material.
No, dummy material.
Okay.
Dummy,
Not
it's not packaging material. Packaging material is
okay.
different. So
Right.
this dummy material, okay, here, I mean, this is a dummy material. I'm not going to maintain any reference packaging material.
Right.
So
Okay.
this, like what I created, normally how you are going to use, that is the same thing.
Okay.
I have done the packing, I mean, normal material, okay. This is 54 and 55 is a new material which I'm going to receive in my warehouse. I don't have
Okay.
any data.
Mm-hmm.
I have referenced the 74 here. I mean, 54
Okay.
here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, enter. Nothing. There's only one field exists. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
And even 55 or 56 also I have created.
It's a new one.
New one.
Okay.
56 also referenced 54.
Hmm.
So whenever I create a material in my entire first time, I always
Mm-hmm.
have the reference. That reference will have the packaging specification.
Okay.
Okay, that means let me go to the pack spec. Material slash SAP APO mat1.
Mm-hmm.
So mine is 55, right? This is the material which I'm planning to,
Receive.
this one, it receive. 54 is referenced here. It will show here, okay?
Okay.
And then 56 also will show over here.
So it is being shown in the packaging data as a difference
Packaging data
package.
as a reference package, reference for packing.
Right.
Reference for packing.
Okay.
Okay. So now this is the material. Let me show you packaging specification for 54.
50. Yeah.
54.
Yeah.
Okay. Product and then so 54 first. So this is my pack spec. Okay. See this?
Just one level. That's all.
Yeah.
One level. Yeah.
One level I have given. I have given a 999 here. And then I'm
Okay.
using packaging material 611. Okay.
Okay.
Palette. Okay. It
Okay.
will allow 9999 quantity. And
Right.
then one thing we have to observe here is I have a condition record called ZIBD. This is what
Mm-hmm.
I created a separate condition record, condition type, and then each and everything. And zero IBD is a normal one which I maintain. So we have to have two condition records over here. So what it contains, I will show you in the next this one. It is a custom ZIBD1 table. This table it was shown. Okay. But when I go ahead and see 56,
Mm-hmm.
looks like 55 is already used. 56 no pack spec.
Okay.
But 56 is referenced to 54, right?
Correct.
Correct. And what I do, slash and VL31N.
Mm-hmm.
And then, yeah, 56 material.
Mm-hmm.
I have a purchase order here. Okay.
Okay.
And then adopt selected. I'll take 80 pieces.
Okay.
Okay. There is no pack spec for
Okay.
the 56, but it still create a pack dummy. I mean, one HU because based on the reference for packaging material in the product master. So go
Okay.
to slash and slash SCWM slash PRDI
Mm-hmm.
and my delivery number is Okay, see this pack status is completed, HU got created. Okay, and
Oh, okay.
this
Yeah.
HU got created automatically. And how, what pack spec it is considered, you can see it over here. This considered 10022. 10022 is a
Pack spec.
54 pack spec. Okay,
Expect which assigned to
yeah, which
54.
is 54.
Okay.
Okay, this is the 22 is a for 54. So this is where we use this kind of a scenario where, I mean, say for a new materials, when we receive the material first time, it uses the dummy handling unit. It is not real handling unit. Okay, it's a dummy. Even though you receive 10 pallets, but as per the dummy, you are going to create as a one pallet only one pallet only.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is how it is going to create. So what is the configuration behind this? That is what we are going to see.
Okay.
So when we go to /OSPRO.
So, I mean, the very first time product is coming to warehouse, it is not only creating the, I mean, it is creating HU and then it is creating pack spec.
Correct.
No,
right.
It doesn't create pack spec. We have to create pack spec now. I just did the goods.
It utilized the existing pack spec.
Utilize the existing pack spec for the other material.
Correct.
No, if you, HU has been created here, okay? HU has been created. And if you look at the pack spec for the reference material, which is 5.4, it has already got a pack spec already ready for it, 5.4.
Exactly.
Correct.
But it is not for 5.6. It is 5.4.
Correct. Yeah, for 5.4, we already have got the pack spec ready. Okay. And this material, if I get into the details, no, this is reference in 5.4 material.
Is actually here point is pack spec created for one material, that may be dummy material, and the dummy material has given as a reference number for the new material.
Correct.
So whenever you receiving the new material, since it is a reference dummy material is there, whatever pack spec assigned to the dummy material, that works for this new material.
Correct. So another scenario is
this.
Go ahead. Sorry.
Yeah, this actually, as our side, you can use in one business process.
Yeah.
That as considered as a dummy HU, or else suppose if you have 1 lakh materials, you have to create or you have to assign 1 lakh pack specs for. I mean, for each product should be a assign or mapping with a packing specification. But here, that step can be reduced, and this whenever you are creating material, if you maintain just reference material for that, so we can reduce the time and configurations for the remaining all. So this can be used like that.
Yeah, this is one scenario. The second scenario is
one scenario.
Yeah, for second one which I'm talking about, business doesn't know the material, how length it is, how width it is. Initially, when you are receiving first time, at the time we cannot stop. We cannot stop the truck at the warehouse gate saying that I don't have pack spec, I don't have weight, length, width, or where I need to keep. I don't have any information. I don't keep it. Okay, but I have to receive the material because it is required for the next production or next customer is waiting for that, something like that. Okay, so that's the reason initially I do goods receipt and kept at the GR zone. Okay, that means it is at GR zone right now. Now, usually what they do, yeah, of course, daily thousands of material will be received, but all these thousands for a new materials, example I'm talking about, in a new material, first time receiving in the warehouse, will always go to the verification department. First time receiving material. Okay. So this verification department guys, what they do, they will check height, width, length, and each and everything. And they will create pack spec for this. Let us take an example. Okay. This is the item, right now, item number 56. So now we have to go to the, so physically quantity has kept 80 quantity, and then what I'm planning to do is I know width, length, and weight because my worker is verified. So go to MM02, 56 material. Now what he do?
Update.
He'll go to additional data and then unit of measure. So he is going to length 20, 20, 20 mm, and then volume is correct or not, we don't know. So based on that, we are going to get the volume. Okay.
Right.
So based on width and volume and each and everything, I know that where it will fit. And one more thing, when we go to the same material, there are other information also they can fill it. WM execution, they are going to mention this handling indicator, saying that this handling indicator is, 2 to 8 degrees, it can be handled. And then this is belongs to maybe XYZ group, cold entry, fridge material, something like that. And this is a filterable. This is a filterable. Something serial number profile is there. All these things determined later. Okay. So based on this, now what we will do is, but I have not configured right now. I'm going to run a slotting. When I run the slotting, so in the slotting, what they will do is, system is going to identify the width, length, and all these things based on the particular condition types, condition records. System is going to identify which put away control indicator it belongs to. That's a planned put away control indicator, then original put away control indicator and section indicator and bin type indicator. At the same time, in the back end, we can also create packaging specification immediately as and when the data is updated, as and when the slotting is run. Okay.
Okay.
As and when you run the slotting, system will identify each and everything. You can also update your fixed bin. You can update your pack spec. Everything you can do that in the background. That is, we did it in one of the project. Okay. So that is going to be possible. Okay. That is what you can do that. Okay. So that means there is no manual intervention. Only manual intervention is only here. He has to enter his data here.
Dimensions. Okay.
Just he has to enter weight and length and width and all these things are here. Okay. So I have not done all these settings, but I'm just saying that this one. So we have no slotting option right now. /n scwm / pack spec. Go to pack spec. Okay. And then go ahead and create your pack spec manually, because there are two options. Are you planning to create automatically? Use that slotting and other options. Okay. Data update and everything. But right now I don't have that body update and each and everything. So I'm going to go ahead with manual pack spec creation. Okay. But here, as I said earlier, I wanted to keep 100 into 1H, correct? That is what I planned. So it has only level 1. I just keeping level 1 only. And then now I'll go to condition record 0 IBD. And then 53J1.
ZIBD, right?
No, IBD. ZIBD only for reference purpose. Reference package, reference material only will have that ZIBD. So this is what I did. And then HU check. The automatic backing was cancelled. Okay. Main level. Yeah, packaging material is not there. So 611. HU check. It was good. Then pack spec is activated. Okay. Pack spec is activated for this material. Now, okay. First time, right? This is below 8, below this one. I just go ahead and create a, sorry. Yeah, I forgot actually. For 7, where we have to tell the system, right? I mean, we have not run the
Yes.
slotting. We have to tell
Mat
to
one
the
we have to.
system mat1 we have to update here.
Okay.
Okay, mat1 we have to update /n/EWM/ mat1, and then go here.
Change.
Okay, so fixed bill. Okay, 5350. All these things will be updated. Okay, even slotting data, storage type data will be updated through slotting. Okay, update here. Okay, so but right now by oversight it is 1010 determined. So let me check whether I have the configuration for 1010. But it's okay. I mean, based on this 1010 and 5350, it is going to determine a bin. It doesn't work for this right now because my configuration for 5350 is different and this one is different.
Okay.
Let's see. Create. Okay. So where it is checking, it's trying to check GR zone, and then there is no entry because 1010 is not my this one. Let me just change the small config to create it. Okay, 5350 combination is there. I just change it to 1010 also. It should work. Okay.
Okay.
But this should be taken care earlier itself because I don't know whether it is. First of all, I don't know it is going to be 1010, but it's okay. So now based on this, when I create a task again, it's going to determine bin now. Okay, it's going to determine bin now, saying that. And then put away. Okay, so this is okay. So now all the indicators are changed and pack spec also created, right? So now which if I create another delivery, inbound delivery, it will go normal process. I mean, it is already having its own packaging specification, its own master data, everything, right? So now this, if I create 120, how many HUs? 2 HUs will be created now. It should, okay? 325.
Okay. So instead of 1 HU, it will create 2 HUs now.
Exactly.
Yeah, based on quantity.
Based on the 325.
Right.
Because my new spec, right? My new spec contains 100 plus 20.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
Okay,
So
100 plus
that's
20, new spec. So you can also see earlier
we are
222 something it was determined, right? 220
correct.
something like that.
Correct.
Let's see, it should be our new packaging specification should be 49. Okay, earlier is 22. Right now it is
Correct.
49. 49 means the 56 own packaging specification. Okay.
Correct. Okay.
Okay. So this is how it is going to work. Normally, I mean, goods receipt. Even you can see 5350 also determined. See this based on my okay, and then it goes like this.
Right.
So second time onwards, even though reference for packing available in this 56 product, it doesn't bother about it. It is always go and create a HU based on the original pack spec, not with the reference. Okay, but somehow if you delete it again, even though pack spec is not there, then in the pack spec is not there. So reference packaging material, reference material for packing is there. So it is going to create with that.
Okay.
So how I have
So,
achieved.
okay. Yeah. Sure.
Excellent, sir.
Yeah. So how I have achieved. So let us see. Go to the.
So see, no ABAP, right? Everything standard.
Everything standard. Everything is standard. So now go to master data.
Okay.
And then packaging specification. So determination of packaging. I have created a condition table. The condition table is, I think you remember CUSZIBD, right? One. So in that supply chain and reference packaging GUID I have given here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
And then access sequence. So go to ZIBD. I have added cus ZIBD1, and you know that there are two fields only here. Those two fields are coming over here. Next, go to condition type. Again ZIBD.
Okay.
Okay, ZIBD condition type is assigned to access sequence ZIBD, and define determination procedure. ZIBD in is my procedure, and I assigned ZIBD over here. Control should also be 1, but by oversight I maintain 2. This can be, you can maintain 1, but ZIBD here. But one twist over here is, you already know 0 IBD is a standard.
Correct.
Okay, and here I have assigned as a second sequence is ZIBD. Remember, this is a change.
Okay.
Okay, 0 IBD is a standard already existing in the standard SAP, but on that I have assigned ZIBD as a second sequence. That means system is going to check whether it is 0 IBD existing or not. If not, it is going to check ZIBD. Okay. Remember, this procedure is very important. I'll tell you why this 0 IBD procedure is important. I'll tell you in the next this one. Then go ahead. Here, PAK is my packaging instruction, and I have added 14th line, PAK, PS, CUS ZIBD1, ZIBD, and then I have generated maintenance group over here, table generated in each and everything. But this is not sufficient for the configuration. Go to the goods receipt area, and then inbound delivery. Yeah, this is also standard, but I'm showing to have this information with us. Partner role 0 IBD should be there compulsory. Okay.
Okay.
So this is, if the 0 IBD is there, that's what I told you now. 0 IBD very important. That's a packaging process. 0 IBD contains ZIBD as well as 0 IBD again. So because of that, ZIBD also will be considered as a for HU creation purpose automatically. Okay. So I think that is the scenario. 1 minute. Is there anything I forgot? Nothing. Pack spec I have given. So this is what the scenario for. Yeah. So the field is reference field MARA-RMATP. It is available in 103. So 103 low. What are there? Reference material group for packaging, and then reference material for packaging. It is available over here. Okay. RMAT, this field. So if you want to see this, how I come over here, go to logistics general, and then material master, field selection for field selection group. So that field, because we can find out MARA. Yeah, this is what we need to 103. Okay.